my gosh. Holy crap. This is awesome. I need a knife. I don't have a knife.
I can go get us a knife.
Oh yeah. All right. Jeez Louise. This is a first for me. I've never bought an entire pallet of speakers before. Oh my gosh, this is awesome! So, it is 2020, and Aguilar comes out with a limited edition run of their speakers every year. And my friends at Aguilar were so excited to share with me what that limited edition 2020 speaker would be. And when they told me, I was like, yep, I'm ordering everything in that limited edition color. And my friends, that is what sits on this pallet. Every single super light cabinet with a certificate of authentication. In purple. Oh my god. What the crap? It's awesome. It's awesome. Look at that. Holy crap. It's amazing. I have purple speakers.
You have purple speakers?
Yep. I have all the purple speakers. This is the certificate. Check this out.
So gorgeous. Oh!
Even the certificate is purple. Royal purple. Only 100 units are made, and I own 2 of them. Welcome to 2020, everybody. All right. So I'm going to open all these, and we'll go from there. This is a 210, a 112, a 115, a 410, and a 212. And I have them in all the configurations that I can use. So I can play a stadium, or I can play a small club. I can play any size venue with any configuration that I have using my tone hammer 500, my tone hammer 700, or my DB751 that I have at home. The Royal Purple Collection. I feel like I've set up for the freaking NAMM show. So you'll see these at the NAMM show, I'm sure, if you end up going. But these are mine, and I'm stoked. And I never thought I would have this kind of stuff in my whole life. I was talking to one of my very best friends last night about the 16-year-old version of myself and how I would never believe that I would have Fodera basses and Aguilar amps and that Victor Wooten and John Petitucci would be friends of mine. And it's just incredible. What you manifest in your life, you can get that. But you've got to be willing to sacrifice and work hard, and this is the kind of stuff you can do with yourself. It's awesome. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.